Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Ozzy Man Reviews channel analytics. Ozzy has uploaded 601 videos. He now has 4.68 million subscribers with a total view of 1,692,604,319 views. He's from Australia, and his channel type is comedy. He created his channel since April 25, 2014. The grade he got is A-, and his social blade ranking is at 4,724th. The subscriber ranking is 2,966th, and then video view rank is 2,581st. He ranked at 31st in Australia and 165th in comedy. Next, the daily subs for Ozzy is around 2K with a daily view of 1,522,882. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 1,500,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $6,000. Then, monthly income will be $180,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $99,000 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $1,188,000. That is how much Ozzy Man Reviews earns from YouTube.